Ew, I'll never date him. He's fat and ugly. Bitch, fuck you. Suck a fat dick, bitch. Ooh, Brody, bro. You look tired as fuck in that one pic. Okay, some dips. Dips is good for back arm. Curls, gotta love it. Good for biceps. Cardio's good. You know what I'm saying? For your heart. Bro then grew out the grind beard. Anytime a man, you can tell a man grinding when he grow the beard. The beard just mean like, you know what I'm saying? Fuck the looks. I ain't trying to look cute. I got something I'm trying to chase. Like, yeah, that Stairmaster, that's a cheat code right there. That's good for legs, no cap. And women, it's good for your buns. You know what I'm saying? It's good for that wagon. Am I missing something? Did bro lose so much weight that he changed to another race? Bro, I swear this nigga was like